In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable call transcription in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're in the platform, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the main navigation options you need for account and system level changes. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage the configuration for your workspace, including your communication tools and phone-related features. After the settings page loads, stay on the left-hand side again and look for Phone System. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where Gohighlevel organizes voice and calling features, so if you're trying to control recordings or transcriptions, this is the right place to be. Once you're inside the phone system area, move to the top menu and click on Voice. This opens the voice settings and options associated with your calling setup. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, just give the page a moment to fully load, so all tabs and subsections appear properly. In the voice section, locate the area for call recording and transcription. This is the category that groups together settings related to storing calls and converting those conversations into text. These features can be especially useful if you want a written record of phone conversations for review, follow-up, or team reference. Inside that section, click on Call Transcription. This will open the specific settings page for transcription controls. Here, you'll be able to decide whether the feature is turned on for your account. Now look for the checkbox beside the option to enable call transcription. Click that checkbox to turn the feature on. This is the key action that activates transcription for your calls, and in most cases, the change is applied right away without needing any extra confirmation. Once you click the checkbox, call transcription is enabled instantly. That means your setup is complete, and Gohighlevel is now configured to transcribe calls based on this setting. As a quick tip, after enabling it, you may want to review a test call later to confirm everything is working as expected. That can help you verify that the transcription feature is active and that your call settings are behaving the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully enabled call transcription in Gohighlevel.